everyone, this is Nasra and today I'm back with a voiceover makeup tutorial for you guys. I'm using this primer, Gold Elixir. It actually contains gold flakes in the primer and this is suitable for all skin types, makes your skin smooth and velvety and ready for your foundation. Cover all her pigmentation and dark circles with a darker shade concealer. So as you can see, I'm applying this full coverage just gold concealer and I'm gonna blend it with my Real Techniques brush. Now time for the foundation. This is a HD foundation. Okay, so please don't panic. अब आप सोच रहे होगे oh my god इतना brighter foundation क्यों लगाया है. This is like 2-3 shades लाइटर देन हर एक्चुअल स्किन टोन. सो लेट मी टेल यू, ये जो क्योंकि ये एकदम ही मैट फाउंडेशन है, इसके पहले भी मैंने ये फाउंडेशन से लुक क्रिएट किया था एंड दिस फाउंडेशन ऑक्सीडाइज्ड अ लिटिल बिट. सो इसलिए टू बी ऑन द सेफर साइड मैंने ब्राइटर टोन यूज़ किया है एंड आप एंड में देखना इसका एंड का रिज़ल्ट बहुत अच्छा आने वाला है. पूरा लुक फ्लॉलेस होने वाला है और ये स्किन टोन की कलर के हो जाएगा. एंड तक वेट करिए, इट्स गोना टर्न आउट टू बी अ वेरी फ्लॉलेस ग्लैमरस लुक. So yeah, don't panic, just trust the process. I'm setting her under eyes with this Photo Finish banana powder. Now moving on to the contour, I'm using their contour palette and as you can see it's so pigmented and it blends out very easily. Yes. So now moving on to the blush. So we're gonna apply blush on her cheeks, on her nose a little bit and on her chin. So you can see how pretty and such a girly vibe it's giving. Now moving on to my favorite part, that is the highlighter. So yeah, I'm going to take this golden and white shimmery highlighter and oh my god, look at that bling bling, just killing it. So now setting everything in place so that the makeup doesn't move, we are using their setting spray and here you go. Just look at that glowy base. No filter guys, no filter, okay? So I've already contoured her eyes with a brown shadow. Eyes बहुत ही easy है, कुछ भी इसमें hard नहीं है. I've just taken this shimmery eyeshadow pot and you can see how shiny and pigmented it is and I like to apply it with my fingers क्योंकि उससे pigment ज़्यादा अच्छा आता है. Now time for lashes. So I'm using Flash Out by Danisha lashes and yeah, lashes just changes the whole look, right? So lastly we're gonna apply lipstick. I'm going for this nude lip color and this is looking so pretty. Oh my god, I can't tell you. और मैंने इसके ऊपर लगाया था फेंटी ब्यूटी का लिप ग्लॉस जो मैं रिकॉर्ड करना भूल गई थी. सॉरी फॉर दैट. सो या, as you can see my beautiful Benazir is loving the look. So here is the final look. Tan ta tan. Oh my god, mashallah, like look at that flawless base. Everything is so perfect, everything is so on point, from jewelry to hair to makeup, everything is looking so perfect and this look is so trending nowadays. A very subtle yet glamorous bridal look. So as I told you, आप लोग पैनिक हो रहे होंगे कि oh my god इतना लाइट फाउंडेशन, बट देख सकते हो कितना प्यारा लुक टर्न आउट हुआ है ये. इट्स लुकिंग so glowy and dewy and oh my god, I don't have words to describe. I just can't take my eyes off and this is like one of my best work. So do let me know आपको ये look कैसा पसंद आया in the comment section. Bye bye.